You sure he got condition 144? Good morning, KG355 into good.
I don't know what 144 got, but I want you to wave a hand to what's his name out there in Atlanta, Georgia, Windjam, and tell him I did wave a good morning hand. And I heard Black Ambassador out there also. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, standing by.
That's a no-no. Hey, Trinitron9, that's a no-no. What you do? Black Ambassador in Atlanta, Lincoln is returned. Corner piece. I ain't take him is going home.
Take it 355, Black Ambassador waving it to you. Take it, my friend, 355, and Black Ambassador Trinitron9 with the morning Coney Ellen wave.
Vote in, don't vote in. Hey man, with the cornbread, that's my friend, Black Ambassador. Tell that convict I said good morning and happy Father's Day coming up on his end. Trinitron9, 355, sit down here in Tickville, Missouri. I'm gone.
You waving a hand to that Black Ambassador? You said he's a friend of yours? Hey, 355, you said that Black Ambassador's a friend of yours, and you waving a friendly hand. Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Ellen, got down?
Appreciate it. And I'm finna pull my big station to the side and listen some on this big end. Catch you later, Trinitron9, 355. So, corner piece. Hey, Trinitron9, 355. Tickville, Missouri, got down and gone.
Got down and gone all by yourself. Corner piece, all by yourself. Hey, Black Ambassador, I want to wave a hand to you, man. I heard you in there. I was doing something. I heard you in there. Hey, Black Ambassador, Trinitron9, want to put some cornbread in your ear hole. Break.
What's he looking on as well? What? My friend over here, your friend by the creek with the legs. They wait, and I have to take a hair whoop.
I hear 1400 in the creek making a whole lot of noise around Coney Ellen. I hear 1400 making a whole lot of noise out here in Coney Ellen. My goodness gracious, 355 is still rolling up in the mix with all this going on. 355 still got it going on. I don't know what happened to Black Ambassador. I don't know what happened to that Black Ambassador, but Trinitron9 gonna hold my hand up in the air like I just don't care with a piece of cornbread. Trinitron9, the man with the bread, just got down.
Hey, Trinitron9, Black Ambassador, right back on the bread. 355 with the 10-5. He went back under the bread.
355 with the 10-5, 355 with the 10-5. I heard it all, you said it all. 355 with that big 10-5. The video gauge rolling, yo. Go for what you know. The video gauge rolling in the deep waters of Coney Ellen. It's been rolling. Go for what you know. It ain't what I say, it's what the video gauge say. The video gauge don't lie. The man with the cornbread got down.
The man with the cornbread. I wish I had a video gauge where I could let you know how your station sound out here. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get me one and how to get mine on the way you can hear what your station sound like out here in Tickville. Take care of Trinitron9, 355, Tickville, Missouri. Got down and gone.
All about you. I didn't hear nobody else, man. I didn't hear a mumbling word, 355. I didn't hear anybody scratching, no background singers. Hey, 355, whatever you doing is working right there, right now. Break.
All right, Trinitron9. All right, man, I appreciate it on this big end. I'm gonna bag out on this big end. Somebody else just walked in the big shed, so I can see what she wants on this big end. Catch you later, Trinitron9, 355, Tickville, Missouri. So I'll be back.
Copy. Who else gonna get in these deep waters of Coney Ellen? Trinitron9, riding the morning wave, eating cornbread, still ain't afraid of no ghosts, still don't do no ghost talking, but I got the Holy Ghost. I want to know who else gonna put it in these deep waters of Coney Ellen, the man with the braid, got down? I hear stalemate out there trying to get it back to 148. I don't hear Black Ambassador no more, so I'm just going to get back on the shoreline. I really can't hear the waving hand of Black Ambassador. But I'll just go back to the shoreline. Y'all take it easy, take care. Trinitron9 gonna wave a big hand. 1400 was out there jumping up and down. He probably went to eat another piece of cornbread. Let me get out in the middle of the water. Trinitron9 got down.
Test 1 2, test 1 2. Test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2. Test 1 2, test 1 2. Test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2. Test 1 2, test 1 2. Test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2.
Hey, Switchblade, can you smell my cornbread out here in Coney Island? Hey, Switchblade, can you smell my cornbread out here in Coney Island? Break, break, break.
And you might be breaking up. It's alright, big brother. I got you.
Sound like you, my brother. Test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2. Sound like I heard my other brother. Sound like I heard my other brother call my name. I think that's Trinitron9. Hey, Trinitron9, is that you? Hey, Trinitron9, was that you, Blake?
Yeah, that's me, man. That's me. That's your little brother out here in Coney Island. That's me, Switchblade. I wanted to know if you can smell my cornbread. Hey, Switchblade, it's your little brother in Coney Island. I just wanted to know if you can smell my cornbread. Break, break, break.
Trinitron9, somebody keyed up said you ain't got no condition. Somebody else keyed up said something about a black box. Mr. No Good. Some no good can't make it. I'll tell you that Trinitron9, man. No condition also. Because I ain't got no whole lot of power. I got some sound, but I'm Switchblade trying to keep down. Good morning to each and every one that's got a copy. Switchblade with no condition, break a break.
Bye, Switchblade. You said they jumped on the man with the cornbread in his hand. That's all right. I'll ride this wave and walk on this water. Take care, Switchblade and all the good time gang. I heard that black ambassador out there again. Take care, Switchblade and all the good time gang. Trinitron9, real deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
Trinitron9. Trinitron9, you around Cape Cod? Coney Island. Trinitron9, 4300 walked over that corner. Somebody bring the real colors to get out on my radio and all that.
Hey, 4300, I heard you. Switchblade was in the mall talking to me, but I heard you roll up in there 4300. Hey, Switchblade was talking, but I heard you roll up in there 4300. Hello, 4300. Hello again, Switchblade, and all the good time gang. Trinitron9 with the wave. Just got down.
355, you said 4300 took over your radio. Take care, Trinitron9, Switchblade with no condition. Talk later, bye-bye.
He didn't take over, but he just got in there. He didn't take over. You still on top, Switchblade, and I heard you corner piece, 355, corner piece. Take care, Blade. He didn't take over, but I heard him in there. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down.
Somebody else. I guess somebody, one of the local jokers drug museums up there. That's what somebody.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9 with the morning wave, trying to get my radio cleaned out again. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island, trying to get my radio cleaned out again. Can anybody step in the water? Can anybody do it? Trinitron9, real deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
Like you said, Mr. No good, man. I'm going to get out and remember the road. Them kind of niggas Switchblade and all them, we time my radio up. Time on and time, I believe. Hey, man, double nigga, I just queued up to speak to you. Bam, but out the middle of the road, that's all you.
Who's that in Bam Bam getting out of the middle of the road? Trinitron9, Coney Island, want to know who's that around Bam Bam getting out of the middle of the road? Hello around Bam Bam, Trinitron9, Coney Island, standing by. Switchblade getting down, Switchblade putting it down, Switchblade getting down, Switchblade putting it down. Take your Switchblade and all the good time gang. Take your Switchblade and all the good time gang. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen just got down.
Switchblade, blade, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, brother.
Yeah, right back there, SwitchBlade.
Who else gonna put it in Coney Ellen? Brown Shoes got that thing in Switchblades here now. Who else gonna get it to Coney Ellen? Trinitron9 standing by.
SwitchBlade, my friend, around Wolf Lake. Brown Shoes, big trees, got down.
Check right on, Brown Shoes. A real good friend, man. Me and your brother, real close friends. Hey, Brown Shoes, Brown Shoes. You know your brother called me to Mississippi, the Wolf Lake Brown Shoes. Hey, Brown Shoes, your brother, my brother, I was going to the Wolf Lake Brown Shoes. Brown Shoes, you got a copy, breaker.
Who else gonna put it in Coney Ellen? Who else gonna take Switchblade and Brown Shoes out of my radio? Can anybody get Switchblade and Brown Shoes out of my radio? Trinitron9 standing by.
Worldwide SwitchBlade, old Brown Shoes said I heard your radio come.
You spoken too, bro. I've been reading about you lately, though. You've been doing a wonderful job, cat nigga. Talking about some glass, 2 pieces of glass or something. I heard you the other week, last week. Hey, Brown Shoes, no, I'm just on the driver right now. Just walked in the shop, cat nigga. So did nothing but the driver. But I got some power, and I can crank it up. Take care, Brown Shoes. Hey, Memorial Day coming up, Father Day after that. Brown Shoes, Switchblade, get down.
Who else gonna get it back to Coney Ellen? Why Switchblade and Brown Shoes got it locked down in my radio? Who else gonna bring it back to these deep waters of Coney Ellen? Why Switchblade and Brown Shoes got it locked down? Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, breaker.
Me and my 2 pieces of glass on this old ground plane station is back to 7
Smoking, man. Somebody on your background said you can't get back or something. I couldn't understand what he was saying. Somebody in your background, I couldn't catch his voice. He said you can't get back. Well, you got to help me on my radio, though, with a freaking ground plane and 2 pieces of glass from the past. Take care, worldwide Brown, a Brown Shoes, Switchblade, so what can Brown do for them? Bye.
It look like nobody got over Switchblade, nobody got over Brown Shoes coming back to Coney Ellen. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, still checking this mail. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, still trying to get my radio cleaned up. Break.
Somebody keyed up and said, I think no Trinitron9 keyed up and said, can't nobody get over. Clap. I think it finna say get over Switchblade. He said, I think it finna say, somebody, I think no Trinitron9, you slow, you said, clap. I slow key. Oh, to you, Brown Shoes. Good job. Somebody trying to get somebody to get over me. Nothing but the driver, Brown Shoes. Bye.
Nothing but the driver. Switchblade said it ain't nothing but the driver, but I need somebody to get Switchblade out of Coney Ellen. Can anybody get Switchblade out of my radio? Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, got down?
Brown Shoes, big up a SwitchBlade, I'm going.
I think of him, my other brother. A Vice, Connecticut Vice. I think that was you, man, but Brown Shoes got my radio with a freaking ground plane. A Connecticut Vice, that sound like your voice. Good morning, Switchblade. By that time, here come Shoes. Here come the Brown Shoes.
Who else gonna get it back in Coney Ellen and take Switchblade out of my ear hole? Can anybody get Switchblade out of my ear hole? Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, standing by.
I think I slipped. Brown Shoes, you smoking in more than Switchblade. Get down.
I put my doggone Brown Shoes behind the back pocket, can be a black.
Can anybody get Switchblade or Brown Shoes out of my ear hole? Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, standing by.
You know it's gonna smell like, put it on your later, worldwide Brown Shoes, and the big apple take care of Switchblade, I got down.
I really know that. I know that trick. That's right now. Your brother called me, that's me, 147 called me Wolf Lake Brown Shoes. I know that trick already. I know that. I know why they call you Brown Shoes, cat nigga. I know why your brother called me the Wolf Lake Brown Shoes. Take care, cat boy. You so crazy. Smoking though. Take care, Brown Shoes. You got me laughing, breaker.
Trinitron9 still riding this way, still walking on this water, still trying to get my radio cleaned out. Trinitron9 still riding the wave, still walking on the water. Trinitron9, deep waters, break.
Shoes and more shoes in the big apple tree, and I'm gone.
You went from 20 pounds to 5 pounds while you was keyed down. Just then. Hey, Brown Shoes, Mother Nature changed it. You said you're going to get on out of there. Sound like you said you're going to get between the legs. Brown Shoes, you said you're going to get between, don't get it twisted now. You said you're going to get between the table legs. You're going to get between the table legs for your breakfast, cat nigga. Take care, Brown Shoes, Switchblade with no condition, bye-bye.
Trinitron9 still walking and talking in these deep waters of Coney Island. Can anybody get Switchblade out of my radio? Can anybody out there get Switchblade out of my radio? Don't tell me nobody can take Switchblade out of Coney Island. Can anybody get Switchblade out of Coney Island? Trinitron9, got down.
Favorite 4-1 and cleaning my radio shack. Switchblade 6001, Kansas City, I'm selling. No ride, y'all. So wicked with it around that man, you go.
I guess nobody could get Switchblade or Brown Shoes out of Coney Island. That's all right. Nobody was able to get Brown Shoes or Switchblade out of Coney Island, but that's all right. It is what it is. Trinitron9, real deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down.
6, no doubt about it. Put it on your radar. 6001 in Kansas City. I'm going back cleaning my radio shack. I'm still.
Who else gonna bump it down in these deep waters of Coney Island and put it where I can get it? Who else gonna bump it down in the deep waters of Coney Island? Trinitron9, ride in the morning wave. Break, break, break.
6001, I'm selling.
I'll just go get out the water then. I ain't gonna be out here ghost trucking and cross trucking Trinitron9 to take my cornbread and go back to the shoreline. I refuse to be out here ghost trucking and cross trucking when I got cornbread. I refuse to ghost truck and cross truck when I'm walking around with a piece of cornbread. Trinitron9 with the morning wave. Just got down.
Okay, man, keeping that rascal down. And I'm gonna say good morning to 6001 in Kansas City. No doubt about it.
You said I'm so stupid. I didn't know. I didn't slip. I figured I won't slip. I won't slip. I said mother nigga sitting on your lip, but I didn't slip. Hey, Brown Shoes. Connecticut rice.